Have you ever wondered if your shiny new Tesla comes with everything you need to charge it? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many electric vehicle enthusiasts. So, let's dive into the details and answer the burning question, does Tesla come with an adapter? Before we get into the specifics, let's understand a bit about Tesla's charging infrastructure. The company has a vast network of superchargers, which are high-powered charging stations designed specifically for Tesla vehicles. These superchargers typically use a proprietary connector, so you might be wondering if you'll need an adapter to use them. Answering the question. The short answer is no, Tesla vehicles do not come with a standard adapter for charging from non-Tesla outlets. This is due to the proprietary connector used by Tesla's supercharger network. Tesla's proprietary connector is designed to provide optimal charging efficiency and safety. It's a unique design that's not compatible with standard charging outlets. This means you'll need a specific adapter to charge your Tesla from a non-Tesla source. The importance of adapters. While Tesla's supercharger network is extensive, there are times when you might need to charge your vehicle from a non-Tesla outlet. This could be when you're traveling to a remote area or when you simply want to charge your vehicle at home. In these situations, an adapter is essential. Types of adapters available. There are a few different types of adapters available for Tesla owners. J1772 to NACS adapter. This adapter allows you to connect your Tesla to a J1772 charging station, which is a common standard in many parts of the world. CHAdeMO to NACS adapter. This adapter is used for connecting to CHAdeMO charging stations, which are popular in Japan and other regions. Home charging adapter. If you want to charge your Tesla at home, you'll need a home charging adapter. These adapters are typically installed by a qualified electrician. Where to purchase adapters? Tesla offers its own line of adapters, which can be purchased directly from the company's website or at Tesla stores. You can also find adapters from third-party sellers. Additional considerations. When purchasing an adapter, it's important to consider the following. Compatibility. Make sure the adapter is compatible with your Tesla model and the type of charging station you plan to use. Quality. Opt for a high-quality adapter from a reputable brand to ensure safety and reliability. Cost. Adapters can vary in price, so it's worth comparing options to find the best deal. So, does Tesla come with an adapter? The answer is no. However, there are a variety of adapters available that allow you to charge your Tesla from different types of charging stations. By understanding the options and choosing the right adapter for your needs, you can ensure that you're always ready to hit the road. If you're a Tesla owner or considering purchasing one, it's a good idea to invest in an adapter to give yourself flexibility in charging options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.